Here's how to use Cord Fix to quickly mend a fraying charger cord. First, get your broken cable. They typically fray where the cord meets the connector plug. Get your bottle of Cord Fix, open it carefully so as not to spill, and wipe the brush of any excess. Then get your waiting charger cord and brush Cord Fix into the breaks. Brush all the way around, sealing all the gaps. It's okay to add a second coat if needed. Cord Fix dries fast and remains clear. It covers and protects the exposed wires, adheres permanently, but remains flexible. And that's it. Your cord is now fixed with Cord Fix.